app offers two powerful modes: on-demand dictation and continuous dictation. In on-demand mode, you control when to start and stop dictation. As soon as you stop the recording, the app instantly transcribes your speech, applies the replacement rules, and if enabled, based on your prompt, it refines your text before inserting it. In continuous mode, you start dictating once and the app handles the rest. After detecting silence that can be configured here, it automatically starts transcribing while you keep speaking. The advantage of this mode is that you don't have to wait for transcription to finish before continuing. The app processes your dictation sequentially so you can focus on your thoughts without interruptions. The on-demand mode is great when you want full control over when transcription begins. You can put more context into a single dictation, which increases accuracy. But if you dictate it too long, you have to wait too long to start dictating again. On the other hand, in continuous mode, you tend to dictate shorter, which can decrease accuracy. In summary, on-demand mode gives you precision and control, while continuous mode offers seamless hands-free dictation.